Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by quitting Fortnite and closing Epic Games Launcher. This frees files so you can change them. Once done, make a backup of your Fortnite game /binaries/win64 folder so you can restore if needed. Next, navigate to that win64 folder and find Crash Report Client. EXE. This is the executable that triggers the reporter. Make sure you have admin rights. Without them, you cannot rename or remove the file. This step sets up a safe, reversible change before you act. You now neutralize the crash reporter by renaming or moving the executable. Rename Crash Report Client, EXE to Crash Report Client. Disabled or cut and paste it into your backup folder. Either approach prevents Fortnite from launching the reporter. Once renamed, right-click the file if present, adjust permissions, and set read-only to avoid accidental restoration. Make sure Epic Games Launcher is not running while you do this. Otherwise, it may restore files. This blocks the reporter without altering core game files. You finish by launching Fortnite to verify the reporter no longer appears. Play briefly and provoke the same action that caused crashes before. If the reporter still shows, restore the backup and repeat the rename or try moving the file while in safe mode. As a last resort, temporarily disable Windows error reporting in services. Be sure to re-enable it later for overall system health. If crashes continue, revert changes and troubleshoot the crash cause. This method only suppresses the reporter, not the crash source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.